sir. So this is my report about customer value preparation. So what is value preparation? A customer value preparation (CVP) is a statement explaining why a customer should choose a company's product or service based on the total benefits offered. So this is the key factors considered in developing a CVP. So the first one is functional value. So the product provides a solution to a problem. So ang functional value daw is nagbibigay solution sa problema o mas madaling gamitin. So for example, sini is ang isang smartphone ay ginagamit para sa mabilis na komunikasyon at pag-search sa internet. And then the second one naman is emotional value. So the product is appealing due to the sentimental reason, tradition, or personal attachment. Purchasing locally produced or organic brands. So ang emotional value naman is may personal na connection o sentimental na halaga. So for example, sini is magbili ng mga produktong lokal o organic brands dahil gusto mong makatulong sa manggagawa. And then the third one naman is economic value. So the product offers financial advantages, save times or conserve energy to innovative cost-saving service. So sa economic value naman is nakakatipid sa pera, oras, o kuryente. So for example, sini is isang aircon na inverter na bagamat mas mahal ay mas nakakatipid naman sa kuryente. And then the fourth one is symbolic value. Symbolic value is simbolo o status. So, ang symbolic value is nagbibigay ng forma o magandang imahe sa lipunan. And then, so, this is the different types of CVP. So, the first one is all benefits. So, list all potential benefits requiring low customer knowledge but risking claims of relevance feature. So, ang ibig sabihin sini is inilista ang lahat ng magagandang katangian ng produkto kahit ang mga hindi gaanong mahalaga sa customer. And then the second one naman is favorable points of difference. So, highlights how the product is better than the next best alternative, requiring knowledge of customer needs but potentially focusing on minor differences. So, ang favorable points of difference is dito is pinapakita kung bakit mas sulit ang produkto kumpara sa mga kalaban o kakompetensya. And then the third one is reasoning focus. So, identify the one or two most valuable tailored difference. So, dito is nakatutok lang sa isa o dalawang pinaka-importanting bagay na halagang kailangan at hinahanap ng customer. Customer relationship. Customer relationship are types of customer a company form with its particular customer segments. These relationships are extended in order to gain customer, keep them, and grow sales with them. So, ang customer relationship daw is ang mga relasyon sa customer ay ang mga uri ng relasyon na binubuo ng isang kumpanya sa mga particular na segment na kailangan ng customer. So, here are some types of customer relationship. First, personal assistant. Involves human interaction with the real salespersons through various channels like on-site call centers or email. And ang personal assistance is may direktang pagkikipag-usap sa isang empleyado o salesperson. So, for example, sina is may sales lady sa mall na tumutulong pumili ng tamang size ng damit mo. And then, second is dedicated personal assistant. So, the deepest relationship where an individual salesperson is assigned to a specific customer. So, ang dedicated personal assistance is may nakatalagang tao para sa isang customer. For example, sina is isang personal banker na tumutulong sa lahat ng bank transaction mo. Third is self-service. Customer help themselves with all necessary tools provided but without direct human interaction. So dito is walang direktang tao na tumutulong. Ang customer mismo ang gumagawa. For example, sina is pag-withdraw ng pera sa ATM. Fourth is automated services. A blend of self-service and automated processes that can identify customer and provided tailored information order to update product suggestion. So, automated service is gumagamit ng system o computer para magbigay ng impormasyon o suggestion. For example is Shopee o Lazada na nagre-rekomenda ng products base sa hinahanap mo. Fifth is communities. So, companies use user communities, online forum, website to connect with customer. So, ang communities is gumagawa ng kumpanya ng grupo o forum para sa mga user ang magpalitan ng tips at solusyon. And for example, sini is isang online forum ng mga car owner tulad ng TCCots.com, isang komunidad ng automotive sa Pilipinas. And then, 6 is co-creation. So, as an extension of the traditional customer-vendor relationship where customer help design and innovate product, co-creation allow customer to create value with a company, such as by designing products or writing review. So, for example, sini is IKEA launch co-creation IKEA in 2018, a digital platform for customer to submit new product design offering cash reward for choosing ideas and providing test labs for refinement. Customer segments and outlines 5 main types of market segmentation strategies companies use to target customer effectively. So, first is mass. So, ang mass daw is para sa lahat o malaking grupo ng tao. And then, second is niche. Focuses on a highly specific customer segment with distinct characteristics and unique needs requiring highly customized products or service automobile parts suppliers. So, ang niche is nakapokus ito sa isang nakapa-espesipikong grupo ng mga kakaibang pangangailangan na hindi basta-basta nakukuha sa iba. And then, third is segmented. Involves offering products or service to customer groups with small but substantial differences in needs, forming various value propositions based on these distinctions. Retail banking based on customer need worth. So, ang segmented is hinahati ang customer sa ibang grupo base sa pangailangan. So, for example, sin is bangko na may regular savings, student accounts at premium accounts. Fourth is diversified. So, target customer segments with very diverse needs and wants. So, ang diversified is iba-ibang klase ng customer ang target. So, for example, sini is San Miguel Corporation. So, one of the diversified companies in the Philippines. And then the fifth is multi-sided platforms. So, used when customer segments and independent making is necessary to serve all involves parties, a credit card companies needing both cardholder and merchants. So, ang multi-sided platforms is may dalawa o higit pang grupo ng customer na kailangan pagsilbihan. So, for example, sini is GCash, may user at may merchants. And then Grab, may riders at may passenger. Channel. Channel are the extended touchpoint a company uses to communicate with its target customer, playing a crucial role in defining the customer experience and providing value. An entrepreneur must identify the appropriate channel to reach consumer effectively. So, ang channel ay ang paraan o daan na ginagamit ng isang negosyo para maipakilala, maibenta at maihatid ang kanilang produkto o serbisyo sa mga customer. So, there are 5 phases of channel. First is awareness. So, marketing and advertising phase to educate customer about product, feature, and value. So, ang awareness is dito ipinapaalam sa mga tao na may produkto o serbisyo ka. Second is evaluation, pagsusuri. So, customer assess the product or service to form an opinion often by comparing option. So, dito kinukumpara at iniisip ng customer kung sulit ba ang produkto mo. For example is pagkumpara ng presyo at ibang brand. So, ang layunin sini is makumbinsi ang mga customer na piliin ang produkto mo. And then, third is purchase, pagbili. The actual sales process where products, services are exchanged for money. So, purchase, ito ang aktual na pagbili ng produkto or serbisyo. And then, after sell, providing customer care and support post-purchase, including handling problem and or queries. So, dito is after sell is serbisyo pagkatapos mong bumili. So, ito ang pagtulong sa customer pagkatapos nilang bumili. So, for example, sini is pag-text sa seller kung may damage ba ang iyong binili na item sa kanila para sa refund or exchange. So, there are 2 types of channel. So, the first one is direct channel. So, owned or controlled by the entrepreneur. So, for example, sini is physical store, website, offering higher margin and direct customer relationship. And indirect channel naman is